Ni hao, Sifu Kairesh here. Today I'm going to share with you a very important tip. One of my students who came and learned Mandarin with me about 10 years ago, her name is, I've forgotten her name, I think her name is Flora. She completed the SPM and she came and joined my class. That time I had my program called Speak Mandarin in 1 month. And within a month, I taught her Mandarin and she became very fluent in Mandarin. And I really didn't have anything to teach her anymore. And she actually completed her program. And she became very fluent in Mandarin. Do you want to know her secret? I will share with you. Now, the first thing here is she completed the SPM. She came to me and she didn't know Mandarin. And she said, Sifu, I want to be fluent in Mandarin. Can you show me how? I said, yes. Come for my classes twice a week. Every day, I was doing like 3 hours per session. And I was slowly teaching her the system. But she was very weak. She was very slow on the first class. But she had a very strong determination that she will be fluent in Mandarin. She will be good in conversing in Mandarin. And within a month, that strong determination that she had, she became fluent in Mandarin. And on the last day of class, I asked her, how come you're so fluent in Mandarin? You came to me a month ago and you just didn't know how to utter a word of Mandarin. And after a month, you are so good in Mandarin. I really don't know what to teach you already. And she said, Sifu, I can show you what I do. This is my book. She had a book. So if you want to learn this unique method, you can learn this also. Okay, so what she does is, on the piece of book that she has, she opens. On the left side of the book, she wrote, what I hear for today, or hearing. Okay, and on the left side of the book, she said, what I hear for the day. That means on that day, everything that she hear from her friends, her Chinese friends, go to the shop, whatever she hears for the day, she write it all down. And then when she comes for class, she asks me, Sifu, this is what I heard. My friend said this. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? She keep asking me all these questions. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? This is what I heard. Maybe the writing is wrong. I don't quite understand. And then she keeps speaking this particular word I don't understand. Then I had to ask my friends hey bro, what is this in Mandarin? They also don't understand because what she write and what she really actually thought was different. So I had to figure it out. And I can say about 50% of my entire class was actually answering her questions. So I will teach her my lessons and then she will ask me all these questions to confirm her learning. This is what she's been doing. And then on the right side of the book, the other side of the book, what am I going to speak for the day? She will write down all the things that she planned to speak for the day and she'll tell me, Sifu, this is what I spoke for the day. You taught me this, but I also added on this. I spoke to this person here, I went to this shop, I spoke to this person like this. I did this. Oh, correct. She was doing this every single day for 30 days. And she became fluent. So if you want to know this little secret, use the secret. On the left side of the page, what I hear for the day. On the right side of the page, what I spoke for the day. Every day she was doing, and when she come for class, she keep asking. So if you are a student learning Mandarin, are you an asker or are you a seeker? Are you like coming for class and just wait what the teacher is going to teach? Are you a person that is actively searching for answers? Keep doing. If I were you, learning Mandarin, I suggest you to continue to learn and ask. Because as I said in my previous video, you got to make a decision. Do you want to master Mandarin? What is your... It is like when you take a step forward, you come forward to the teacher, you keep searching, you will... As I said, I feel those who search will find. If you understand this, you start seeing learning Mandarin as a very different perspective. Though the fruits are reserved for those who find. Are you actively finding? Are you actively searching? Are you actively seeking? If you keep seeking and searching, you will find it. So this was what I learned from this girl. Within a month, she was fluent in Mandarin. So that's why you need to ask yourself, if you're learning Mandarin in TikTok, YouTube, so many places, free. You can learn Mandarin for free, no problem. But are you actively writing whatever you're learning down or not? If you're just merely seeing the video, and then after the video you do something else, and then next day you're back to work, don't you think you just wasted time? That 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes just watching a video hoping that you will learn Mandarin? It doesn't work that way. If I were you, I will take a video and actively watch that video and take notes down. If I were you lah. Okay? Then one day 2 videos and actively study those videos. I believe you can be fluent in Mandarin within a month or 2. You don't really need 2 to 3 years. But if you want to be fluent in Mandarin, actively join a class, 2 to 3 years. Yes. But if you want to like just warm up, cakap, can right, 2 to 3 months is okay already. It depends on your decision. It depends on what you want. If you want to learn Mandarin for fun, there's a game. If you want to learn casual Mandarin, there's a game. If you want to learn seriously, there's another game. But if you want to learn professionally, there's another game. What is your game? So this girl chose to be fluent in Mandarin in a month. She made that conscious decision. She wanted to be fluent in 1 month. And she got it. And then another thing she asked is, I told her, what other secrets that you have that apart from this that you're so fluent in Mandarin? It cannot be just these 2. She said, I found a Chinese boyfriend. I said, hey, you very smart. You found a Chinese boyfriend, the Indian girl, and then you hantam to learn Mandarin. You come for my class, learn Mandarin with me, and then you practice with him. I think that's a shortcut. Okay, so she found a Chinese boyfriend. She came to me to learn all the systems and structure for Mandarin, and she wrote down what I hear for the day, what I'm going to speak for the day. It's a complete combo. She's already fluent in Mandarin. So if you want to be fluent in Mandarin, number 1, find boyfriend, Chinese boyfriend. Okay, number 2, what I hear for the day, what I speak for the day. I think you're good to go. Follow this method, you will be fluent in Mandarin. My name is Sifu Kairesh, and I'm Malaysia's #1 top Mandarin coach. If you like this video, share with people, share with your friends, like, comment, and share. Subscribe, most important, subscribe to my channel where I provide the best Mandarin principles for you to be fluent in Mandarin. 谢谢，再见。